due to not taking proper care, the skin of our body becomes dark and it turns into an uneven skin tone. To remove the darkness, we just have to follow 2 steps and your skin will start glowing like pearls. That too in just 1 day. Yes, this is a 1-day challenge, which will show you the difference in just after 1 use. Before watching this remedy, if you are new to this channel, then kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For this skin brightening oil cleanser, we need raw turmeric, kachi haldi. Take 2 small pieces of raw turmeric, peel off its outer skin, and cut it into small pieces. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. These characteristics may provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric may also revive your skin by bringing out its natural glow. Hey friends, write down from which city you're watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Crush all the turmeric pieces like this and keep them aside. Take a saucepan and add 100 ml coconut oil in this pan. Add crushed raw turmeric in a pan. Third ingredient, we add basil or tulsi leaves. Basil's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help heal bacterial and fungal infections and treat scars on the skin. Crush the leaves and add it into a pan. Basil extract is rich in vitamin C, which adds brightness to the skin. Last but not least, we add orange peel in this remedy. We all know that orange peels contain citric acid that helps lighten and brighten the skin. Cut the peel into small pieces. Regular use of orange peel can help remove tan and give your skin a youthful radiance. Using orange peel powder mixed with a carrier oil can promote a brighter complexion. All the orange peel pieces we put in the oil. We stir all the ingredients and mix well together. We place the saucepan on a gas flame to cook the ingredients. Make sure the flame is on medium flame. Stir occasionally to avoid burning. When the properties of all the ingredients come into the oil and the color of the oil changes, we turn off the gas flame. We remove the saucepan from heat and let the oil cool down completely. We filter the oil from a strainer and collect the oil in a clean container. We pour the oil into a clean bottle. How to use this miraculous skin brightening oil cum cleanser? Apply the oil on your skin and massage so that the oil penetrates deeply. Let the oil soak into your skin so it can do its job well. For best results, use this oil cleanser 2 to 3 times in a week before bathing for achieving a pearly glow brightened skin. This oil removes suntan, dark spots, uneven skin tone and pigmentation too, and makes the skin glow like pearls. When we do the next step after this, in the next step we will have to do exfoliating the body, and for which we will have to make a scrub plus body brightening pack. And making it is very simple. For this we need half cup rice. You can take any rice. Rice flour is one of the best ingredient for skin whitening naturally. It also acts as a scrub and remove the impurities from your skin. Next we add half cup chana dal, chickpea lentil, which is also called Bengal gram split. Chana dal is excellent for making the skin white. It has cleansing properties that help to give lighten and brighten skin tone. Give it a nice stir and grind the mixture using a blender. We add 1/4 spoon of wild turmeric powder in this mixture. It reduces suntan on skin and enhances your complexion, and gives a blemish-free, natural glowing skin. Add 2 spoons of curd, which gives a mild skin bleaching effect, and removes tan or uneven skin color. Next we add pieces of half potato and orange with its peel. Both are contains vitamin C and skin lightening agents which help to gives you a lighter, whiter and brighter skin. We grind the mixture using a blender. If mixture is thick, then add little bit of water. We got a nice consistency of this remedy. Transfer this remedy in a clean bowl. Our body brightening scrub plus pack will be ready. Now you will have to scrub your hands, legs, neck, back, i.e. the entire body thoroughly. While scrubbing, wherever there is more darkening on the body, you will have to scrub more. This will make it easier to remove the darkness of a particular area. After scrubbing, wash the entire body thoroughly with lukewarm water. If you want, you can also take a bath and then see how your body skin starts glowing, and then do not forget to moisturize the body skin. This will make your skin glow even more after getting moisturized. And yes friends, everyone can use this treatment, from small children to adults. So please, like this video more and more. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and share your valuable experience with us in comment section. Kindly subscribe to DIY Nature's Glory for more skin, hair and beauty remedies.